I believe in this young man's ability so much. What's so great about Gavin is the audience sees in this young man somebody that came from little and has made himself into what he is. And so they say, that's possible for me.
It was so fun. What a great dynamic speaker, what a well-prepared speaker. I loved it. I feel like he's got such great energy, he's got a good depth to what he's covering, and he's the right kind of person to make any event work out. I loved speaking at the same event as Gavin because I got to see him do his good work.
This guy's Joe Wicks, the body coach, and he's probably the biggest fitness personality in the UK right now. Makes it quite tricky if you're someone that has ambitions, goals, or dreams to leave the islands and go and do something great.
And I found that most people were doing the online equivalent of this. Trying to sell something to someone that doesn't care.
But when I was telling teachers and telling family that, I was getting the whole, don't be stupid, go get a real job. Go get a safe job. Earn money that comes in every year. It's safe. Jobs are safe.
Most people have tried ads, most people aren't seeing success that they're happy with. So what is going on?
85% of people said they were left with a negative opinion on a website that had obnoxious or intrusive adverts. Where for 100 days, every single day, I'd pick up my phone and record a video.
All have to start somewhere. We just need to do one thing, which is this: embrace the messy.
I was scared. I was so scared to get in front of video, in front of a camera, and speak into it because I was scared of what friends and family would say.
He actually understands because he's done it himself. The young man is amazing. And I don't say this about a lot of people, but I can put my name behind him anytime. I'd recommend him to any event organizers because I believe in him that much, and I certainly believe in him for your event as well.